Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to install Snapchat++ on any device that you own, preferably an iOS device. I'll make a separate tutorial on how to do it on an Android device. Now the process is very easy and it just takes a couple of steps. So the first thing, make sure you have AppCake installed. If you do not have AppCake on your device, it can run on really any iOS device for the most part that people are using. Check that first link down in the description. It'll take you to a video I made about exactly how to install AppCake. So that's the first thing you need to do. So make sure you have that installed. It's still working now. I just installed it. So it should be working by the time you're going to go ahead and install it. And this method still works as of right now, me making this video. I can't promise this video will work a year from now, a week from now, or tomorrow, but I'm pretty sure it'll still work for the next couple weeks. So what you want to do before you go through, you want to find the Snapchat that you have on your device already, and you want to delete it. You will not be able to install Snapchat++ if you currently still have a Snapchat account tied to your device, so make sure you delete that. Now this is Snapchat++, but I'm curious to see if it'll allow me to install that one even though I already have Snapchat++ on here. Now another thing to keep in mind, you need to be very careful with Snapchat++. It could potentially ban your account. Yeah, you unlock so many cool new features and everything like that, but make sure you don't get banned. However, if you do get banned, I made a video on how to get yourself unbanned, which will also be linked down below. So now that all that stuff is out of the way, you want to go ahead and open up AppCake. You want to go and click Tweaked. Now usually it's like one of the, which is tweaked right here. Usually it's like one of the first apps here, or you could search it up from above. But I'll go ahead and scroll down. I know exactly where it's at, which is right here. It'll go ahead and kind of mess up a little bit, but I'll go ahead and click it. And once you click it, you'll be presented with the Snapchat++ page. All you want to do here is you want to go up here and click Install. And then an ad will come up, and it's probably the most obtrusive ads ever. Like, they make you wait like 4 minutes before these things get through. So you click here, right? And then you go ahead and like go through this ad, click X, click install again, and they make you watch another ad, which is so obnoxious. But it's whatever. At the end of the day, we'll go and wait for this thing to go done. And as you can see, you'll be presented with the page like this eventually. So here you just want to go ahead and click install if you're a normal user. But me, I'm going to duplicate the install and see what happens, because I already have it installed. But make sure you have the original Snapchat deleted. Now as you can see up top, it's going to go ahead and go through its normal things. It's going to go ahead and do the compression and all that stuff, so it'll take like a second or two for it to fully go through, and then eventually you'll be presented with a little thing that says install or cancel, whatever, and we'll get from there. And as you can see, I do get the pop-up of whether I want to install Snapchat++. So at this point, you just want to go and click install. And as you'll see, it should start downloading. Maybe it won't because I already have Snapchat installed. Actually, it might actually go through. And as you can see, it does eventually go through, so I can open up this Snapchat as well as the other Snapchat too, and these both are Snapchat++s. So if you want multiple Snapchat++ accounts, you can go this way, but that is pretty much the process. If you have any questions or runs any issues, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel, all those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.